welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back, and if you've been following my last couple of videos, you may have seen that I've had some problems with the DISA valve coming loose and causing some engine problems. I haven't fully fixed that yet, but I'll get onto it. Today I'm going to be doing part of the process of fixing it. I'm going to be replacing the DISA valve, which is actually the bit that broke. So I'm just going to keep this video as like replacing the DISA valve to just show you how to replace the DISA valve, and then yeah, I'll get more into fixing the rest of it later on. So anyway, my new DISA valve is here, and that's it there in the box. The DISA valve, in case anyone doesn't know, is pretty much this in here, and it goes in, like it goes straight there, and it has a flap which opens and closes, and that flap came loose and the pin came out and went into my number 6 and got stuck. But I've got that out now. And, anyway, let's just see what's in the box here. That's my new DISA valve. Just to give you an idea of what it looks like. And that's it. So yeah, that's going to be going in there, just pretty much like that, but lower. So I'll probably have to get this thing out of the way, and yeah, move a few of those things. And I've already, as you can tell, I've already got this all off from when I was fixing that in my last video. So yeah, hopefully I don't have to take off too much more, just that, and then maybe the inlet down there, maybe this has to come back out just so I've got more room to access, but we'll see how we go. So let's get started. Okay, I'm just gonna pop my gloves on, and then I think all I'll need is this T25 bit here, 1/4 inch socket, 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, 10mm extension on a 3/8 ratchet, and yeah, I'm gonna take this out, and so I will be removing this. So let's go. Okay, we're just gonna want to unplug this. So I think you just gotta flick up this little bit, and then pull that out, and it just unplugs. But don't lose that, because we'll need to plug it back in soon. I probably will have to take this intake off, it looks like. Just get these cords out of the way so I can get to that hose clamp. Now we can see the DISA valve right here. So, oh, I can't remember if we need to take that bit off. Okay, now that that's loose, hopefully we can just pull it out. Oh, it doesn't want to come out. Let's see if I can try and pry it out. There we go. Oh, there we go. I had this out recently, so I figured it would pop out fairly easy. If it's been in there for a long time, it might be a little more difficult to get out. Okay, now what? Yeah, I'm probably going to have to take that off. It looks like. Yeah, actually I think I just loosened it last time. It's just the bracket for the electrical wires. Okay, let's see. That might be enough. I didn't take that bit right off last time. I just loosened it enough to be able to get the DISA valve out. Yeah, see? And here we go, that's mine broken. And yeah, that pin came loose. The new one has a metal pin, I've noticed. It's got a metal pin in there. So the flap, I did find the flap, it was stuck inside there. Yeah. Oh, I just noticed there's a bit of oil in there. That's probably not ideal. I might just grab a rag and clean that up. You just want to make sure nothing gets down in the throttle body either, because when you put it back together, whatever's in there will go into the intake. So we don't want anything else getting stuck in the engine. Okay, we might just grab some of that oil and put it around here, so there's a little bit of oil on here for when I slide it in. Might help it go in a little bit. Alright, now I haven't tested this one. There is a way you can test it, but you need your laptop and that to test it, but I don't know. I hope it works. Anyway, let's pop it in. Nice tight fit. Let's put the screws back in. Snip them up tight. Let's start with this one. Not crazy tight because this inlet manifold's made of plastic, so just nip them up. Now I can plug this back in just by popping that back in there. Yep, just like that. Back in. And then don't forget to tighten up these ones that I loosened over here. Alrighty, let's pop these electrical ones back on. Like so. And like so. Back to where they should be. Pop the inlet back in. Okay, make sure you can feel that it's on there, secure. And then tighten it up. Okay, get that nice and tight. And then we can put the power steering pump back in its place. Just get the air filter back in and we're pretty much done. Okay, that's the DISA valve that failed, and yeah, you can see more on that in my other videos. That's it, all back in with the new DISA valve. I haven't put that cover on yet and all that back on yet because I still haven't fixed my ticking problem with this. But anyway, that's replacing the DISA valve. It's quite an easy job, just a few basic tools and a little bit of know-how. And that, yeah, I kind of recommend replacing that so you don't go through the same trouble I had with having it break and the pin gets stuck in your valves. So just a little hint. But there are two DISA valves, that's the big one, and the little one's like in there somewhere. So if you can get a focus on that. I think that's the little one just there, but you got to take the inlet manifold off to do that. It's a bit of a bigger job. So anyway, thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the next video. I haven't fixed the car yet, so I'll still be trying to fix the ticking noise. But anyway, that's the replacing of the DISA valve. Just a simple video about replacing the DISA valve. So thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment if you like, and throw us a like, and if you want to subscribe to see more, you're more than welcome to. Anyway, thanks very much. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.